Good day, good day. We have got our system installed here. I had to do a little bit of shitting around, I guess. Not realizing my pond pump was weak. I actually had to pull my barrel up. I had it down on the floor there. I was having some flow issues, but here it is. Got my two fan, or my window fan, I guess you'd call it, boxed up to the back of this old radiator, and you can hear that fan's just powering up now. It's a little bit slow to get going. What I have is hot water coming in through the bottom here and working its way around 4 quadrants and out this line back up into the pail here. You can see I don't have much flow there, it's just a trickle. There's a pond pump in the pail, and the hoses both go outside there. I'll just give you some shots on some temperatures here. We've got about 58, about 60 degrees there, and the outlet side is about 30-ish. Water's sitting at 37. We also have that heat duct in the back there that's bringing in heat with the air-to-air exchanger, and it's driven off of this makeshift fan here, which goes out, pushes into the cold air, and turns around and comes right back in through that warm pipe. I'll take you out and show you the fire and the heat exchangers. We've come up 2 degrees since I started filming here. We'll check on that when we get back in. It's a beautiful snowy day. So here, our cold water comes from our pump through this line into a heat exchanger that's in the flue. Then it comes back out into another one of windings, comes back out there and back into the greenhouse. That's 1/4-inch copper on both, and they're just this one here is just a flat coil, that one there is wound around a pipe. Cold air return is right here, comes up into 5 pipes that go along here right through and into the back, and they come out the same way back into the greenhouse. The door, you can see the huge fire we have. Doesn't take a hell of a lot of heat. I don't know if you'll see those copper coils up there. Yeah, there they are. And you won't see the other ones are up in the chimney. Ooh, that's a little warm on the camera. So anyway, that's kind of where we're at here. We're just trying to extract as much heat out of this barrel here as we can, and we're trying to get the spikes out of the greenhouse temperature. And with just air, the spikes seem to be more erratic, and that's why I'm using more water. I decided to use both of those heating coils. The first one was just to warm water in a 45-gallon drum in here, and the second coil was just for this system I just installed, but I decided I'll for now run it through both exchangers, and I'm getting pretty decent temperature on here. It's almost burn your fingers temperature, not quite, I wouldn't say. I mean, you've seen the fire in there, so we're sitting at about 66, 67 degrees. I'm going to shoot the inside of this pipe here. It's about 80 to 90 degrees. It's actually pretty warm. So anyway, that's how it's working. This seems to be a very the water heat with the radiant heat from the water seems to be very effective. We're still at 22 here, and I gotta remember that it's daylight out right now, and the greenhouse will retain a certain amount of temperature. check this one here. It's about 17 degrees in here. And this one here saying about 15 degrees. So that's kind of the idea, or kind of what I'm up to today here. If anyone has any questions or whatever, go ahead and shoot, and I'll see if I can maybe help you out. Thanks for watching.